30th. Sio extend. Si ndio?
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufaili kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine, na lazima ufanye zote.
Si mimi nadhani hiyo ni ya watu wenye wanafanya kwa maofisi. Ai wewe acha kunienjoy wewe. Mimi niko jua kali.
Usipolipa, unachapa mafines kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
Last year I filed bail. Kwanza mapema. I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio maana uchapa mafine.
Hey babe. Kwani whose side are you on?
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo for my salo na pia my side hustle. Hata ni rahisi.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns. Na ya maana zaidi, umelipa. Jijue, halafu jibeta.
Wairira biyana ando mwanchumu ligiriria Chinsa Ikomi chabano magoroba Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ase nchira ere yobwenge nkomanye egatia yali togendete gukwariganiria ase Ekeonga Chinsa ibere obotuko bwa lero nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto nayo mwanchumu ligiriria ogendete gutubwatia ase mitandao yetu ya Facebook na bego YouTube na Getembe TV ekero togendete gukomanyonsi ayagendete gukorekana kurwa Chinsa awuchaka Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi no roboti rugo ichania umusacho yomo w'imyaka 20 umanyikanite buna Eric Vange nigo mubiroye obakogotoka emambia yelitukulia lero kole ase Chinsa moja sirunga ekirbo ime yabo gichora county ya Nyamira na somo biroyu nigonyorekana kubwate chingoma chintindi kolengolengana nabamenyi be Chinsa mecho chaibu change gosira Eric Vange nigabete kagwiterwa ase nyombe yemo ya marwa abwase omubiroye obete gukubiswe nyumba kurwa aburi tukuligoro waikabuna omubiroye ukageire gosokiwa na korutwa ase engorime yo gwaka amatobori nonye nabo nigo abo bisaba banyanyimbo kurwa segeta seni Kisii and Nyamira baba bagwikira na sayo na koiro mubero yuchingaki obotuki bwa chakiwe elikonekia ningikerete nyagosira gosirio bugima bwaye
ambi bagocha ubwate bwebese ogenda igo tugusabaga ki abasikali bare Nyamira basipi barusi bwo abasikali batenji bwa abasikali abangao baje bakore gasi ege kogera igo tochandekete gaki twachandekire omwana bwo mokungwa go itukoruare are ese nkungu ekarusie sacha bogere ekareta gaki batare gwanja batakonye gaki ege ntogiakorekana no mwana ito okorueria moni otokore roche omolisi acheta igagacha akabekwo konia maru omoswati oyi atochandeta konia maru gaki tuasoroire serikali ya Nyamira yonse bierwo
gaki gento nari kokwana tubwata abana bakwande skuru tubwati muntu okotokonya abasaja bitu bagwirira amaruime abantu bakure kenyoro ikikito abana batano gaki kurango sironga ibucha amarware gato chante gaki abangina kurango ya no mwaka geto orenge na 2018 momuro minta kanywa maru bakamutege sima imega aki abantu batocani tuachane kire gaki abagami bare gati kabatokonya gaki ekomise na kayera tokonya
abana baito basireira marume atosumbuire gaiga twakwanire kirengaki ondete yogo totegerera abakungu mara motago kura kura twakure amarwa tokolire kenyoleke oroja abantu tubwata abana basinini bamenyira marume no bamenyete nande basomete toko baligeri chigasi chiasinya amarume no bakorete ebinto nyomba mojere mbosi bwa mandasi mbosi bwa koruga kereka wana ntoko manyangi toko kora serikali tokonye
amarua tonyarire bagambi batati na makio kabatete gakia bamtu baminto kura akitwatandikire chibeshuka bagusangereria omuntu bakurusia maruso barere batoretera bakagesieri abana baito bakure baerire kesa kukia mambi nkeiyo era niko na romo muro bando mukaigo urusi kunyomba obekere bakachanga bareta bakurura baruta rocha ase bakuruta maruta ikwengwo
Ekera bono togo tigana na roboti oruruo goichania kuri kaunti ya Nyamira nigotoka na wike kaunti ya Uasin Gishu ase omukonyi bwo muraiwense abakagwikirana aso gosasima ase kanisa ya interdenominational ime ya ziwa ebunge ya Soi ime ya kaunti ya Uasin Gishu asabirega gwakire koko eserikali ya UDN nagotebanigo egendrete gukora magendero ase chinsemo a imense ya Kenya asabirega kurieira yo guchukubwa toka obwoyo bwa top dressing uchiasa barimi ase chinsemo aiga asense ya Kenya nonya nabo nikabirega kugikere bali bonsi bagendrete gotera nagoteba igoro ya one term ase abirika goteba buna nigo batamaiti igoro ya lichiko liense ya Kenya asabirega koerera soboime nagoteba nigo lichiko ligoteba kera omuraibwense nigatakire kora ase chitamu ibire.
Kuna fertilizer mnahitaji ya top dressing. Na mimi nikirudi Nairobi, kazi ya kwanza kesho ni kuhakikisha kwamba tumehakikisha kwamba hiyo fertilizer imeanza kupelekwa huku mashinani ili wakulima wapate mazao yao vizuri. Tunajua kwamba kuna kiangazi kiasi, lakini tunaomba Mungu mvua itatosha na serikali itatoa fertilizer ya kutosha ili tupate mavuno ya kutosha. Hiyo nitatekeleza. Hiyo ni kazi ya Deputy President, hata haifiki kwa rais. Mimi naenda kutafuta wizara, Minister, PS, tuhakikisha kwamba hiyo top dressing fertilizer imefika hapa Eldoret na sehemu zingine za Kenya. Mheshimiwa Rais amefanya kazi na ataendelea kufanya kazi. Na katiba yetu imesema kwamba mtu akichaguliwa kama kiongozi wa taifa kama rais apewe miaka 5, afanye envisages a 10-year period for a president to bring policy, to bring programs, not just to start them. Hakuna kitu kama one term kwa katiba. Ule mtu anasema one term hajasoma katiba. Katiba imesema tu term ya kwanza ni ya kuleta programs na kuleta policies na kuleta marekebisho na kuleta ile miradi ambayo inaambatana na ruwaza ya huyo kiongozi. Term ya pili ni ya kukamilisha. Anybody speaking about two term must know they are undermining the Constitution of Kenya. Kwa sababu katiba imesema term ni ngapi? Term ni ngapi? Kwanza hii two term imeanza juzi. Katika katiba ya zamani hakukuwa hata na limit.
Kubwatekana no kurubikana okurubeirwe chigokorekana chitariki 25 omotienyo yeiga eri kubainyura ekegorikeri gya Gen-Z kiabete kegosiria amagima abo aso kurubikana kwabete kogokorekana umwaka bwechiri bubere na 25 ekero balinge kwamereria finance bill nigo bono eserikali gose nigo wizara y'oburindi bwaime wetera ase omuwaziri Kipchumba Murkomen babaire bagoteba buna nigo babekire oborendi obotingu kuchase bonsi abo bagochikorobekana ase boigo batebire mbali gochigoitabera na montonde bwensi orachigosalia nibo ase batebire boigo nigo barachikomuke bitambo kere betindi gochase onde bwensi orachigotoka kagosalia nibo nonya nabo nigamangana yu aberega kwegwo koboko no yorumuri kyobotambe ase wizare yo Daktari Raymond Omolo uyo bereka goteba buna nigo boigo barachikolenda bali bonsi barachigokora ebintu bya PS
Alex has talked of people planning to go out and demonstrate on the 25th And the Constitution guarantees that right. And as a government, we will defend everybody's right as enshrined in the Constitution. That you are allowed to demonstrate, you are allowed to picket, and even take petitions to authorities peaceably and unarmed. And I want to underline that for the Republic. Peaceably and unarmed. If you come to the streets peacefully, go do your thing, go home when you're done. If there are people who want to go about their businesses and they're not interested in demonstration, the President has made it very clear, we will not allow anyone to interfere with the rights of those who don't want to participate in the demonstrations. We will protect your right to demonstrate, just as we are going to protect the rights of those who have other things to do.
Kuna watu wengine wanasema ati watakuja barabara kupiga kelele next week hata kama finance bill ni nzuri. Yani they have looked for all reasons, wakaona hakuna, wakasema tutarudi tu kupiga kelele. But because the Constitution allows freedom of expression, freedom of picketing, demonstration, and so forth, that is your right, like the President said, use it. But I want to see those leaders themselves, their children, and their supporters wakue mbele. Because these leaders, what they do, wana encourage watoto wa wenyewe wakuje barabara, alafu wao wenyewe wanaenda kulipa goons na tax, wakuje na machetes na panga na all that to attack people's children and people's businesses. Your Excellency, with due respect to the Article 37, any person on Thursday or any other day that will be in the streets with a machete, with a stone, with matchsticks to burn police station, to burn a court, with a sack and a bag to loot anyone's business, will meet the full force of the law. We are a government that is responsible. The only
Navoigo kubwathikana negekore ikiabetege konyegeria ense ase skuru ya utumishi yogotoka ya Gilgil ekaunti ya Nakuru yabetege gosiria aboroki wa 15 no mokuru asomorero omobe yobete kugwatika ase skuru yo ritkulia rero umuraibu ense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruth igaberega korwa magomba bene uchase skuru yo abairi amuna abasani na wige ekaunti ya Nakuru engima okona korwa se nyumba yobora ya State House nigaberega kuboria aboroki wa bose wetanga kurwa se bikore binga bunebyo eri kwanakia amabe akoletwa kurwa se mebasokano anene yemero eyewateka ase chiskuru ngotangikere.
These past few weeks, our nation has regrettably carried the pain of losing young lives in places where children should have been safest. We mourn those lives. We stand with their families, and we pray for the healing of those who are injured. Our young people must draw lessons from these incidences. Every choice carries a consequence. Some consequences are temporary, others are permanent. They can alter the course of your life, damage your reputation, stain your record, and leave a burden on your conscience that you will carry for many years. To the young people of our country, I say this: character is not forged in life's grand moments alone. It is shaped in the choices you make every day. When you are angry, when no one is watching, when it is easier to follow the crowd, and when your conscience is calling you to stand apart from it. The easiest thing to do in the world is to follow the crowd. The hardest thing is to stand apart from it. Yet, that is where character is revealed. In the willingness to make the right decision, even when it is the unpopular one. Yours is a free country. You have the freedom to dream, freedom to speak.
Manchumo ligeria ayo amona yanda mange oyanyorege kuraga Chinsa ibire chibutuku bwarero nere Cyrus Nyakundi asenchira yo bwikiranu tugwakerembia mono yabene asengenche wanja gusanga na Getembe TV genda gutwara buligere liboro buya nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.